This day we have a gusting easterly wind, blowing about 10 to 14 meters per second. That is about 19 to 28 knots. Good conditions to wind test the rig. I set up the catamaran on the beach. Down at the water level, behind the trees, I'm a bit protected, but a few meters up in the air, the wind is showing its presence. After tightening the trampoline, I'm ready. When getting out on the lake, the boat quickly picks up the speed. I notice the lee stays are loose and will need to be tightened. Reach 8 knots or 15 kilometers per hour. I'm exposed to the east wind on the beam reach. As I do not fully trust the rig yet, I let some wind power pass and do not sheet in the sail so much. The tacking performance is not good, but as I practice I manage better. On a close reach, I catch less wind, and thus the tension on the rig is less. At the tacking point, the tension is even less, and I can adjust the shots. I notice that the boat has a tendency to sail backwards if I do not sit well on the back crossbeam when starting the tack. In order to get it up on the lee hull, I think the wind needs to be a bit stronger, and perhaps the rig will not make it, so I continue to leisure sail instead. The ride is quite dry, as it is mostly the lee hull that splashes, and the trampoline is high above the water. It is a real nice summer day, with not a single cloud on the sky. This is the wider part of the lake, and the waves are a bit higher here. The boat speed varies between 6 and 8 knots. The tiller is on the long side and it could be shortened, but it works. Time for a lunch stop, and I drop the sail. The boom is quite heavy, so it's not wise to do as I do it here and drop all the weight on the tiller. Next time I need to be more careful and let the boom drop down on the hull instead. Even without the sail I make some speed towards the shore. On this map you can see the tacking performance of the boat. With 2 stays in each direction, the rig is quite stable. The tacking performance is quite reasonable. I'm not using all control possibilities yet. The line for the Cunningham could be added. However, so far I'm pleased with the performance, so I consider the test complete. During the afternoon I continue northeast and explore this part of the lake. I pass the beach Möllebadet. The Scout Hut. And succeed in tacking through the narrow strait into the Utterkalven. On downwind sail, on a broad reach, the speed also passes 8 knots. The afternoon is just as beautiful as the morning was. I finish with a tour around the island Ensta Ö. Next time I will show how I did when I went camping on the catamaran.